Hey there! Welcome to the Language Exchange channel. Today we are talking about WH questions. Are you familiar with them? Let's see some examples. What? Where? Who? When? What is used to talk about objects or things. Where is used to talk about places and locations. Who is to ask about people. When is to talk about time, days, months. Let's start with examples you remember with the WH question what. Leave a comment and share any question you can remember with it. What? What's your name? What are you doing? What did you have for lunch yesterday? What do you do for a living? Let's try to answer the questions together. Remember to take notes and read your answers out loud to improve your pronunciation and fluency. What's your name? My name is Ryan. What are you doing? I'm teaching English. What did you have for lunch yesterday? I don't remember. I think I had spaghetti with meatballs. What do you do for a living? I'm an English teacher. Now, the second one. Where? Used to talk about places and locations. Where? Where are you from? Where do you live? Where does your husband work? Where did you go on your last vacation? Now it's your turn to answer. Let's practice together. Remember to take notes and read out loud. Where are you from? I'm from the UK. Where do you live? I live in Dundee, Scotland. Where does your husband work? He works at the train station. Where did you go on your last vacation? We went to Switzerland. Great work! 2 of the WH questions are okay for you now, right? To expand your vocabulary even more, invite a friend to practice speaking. Now let's go back and practice with the third one. Who? To ask about people. Who? Who's your best friend? Who did you invite for dinner? Who did you talk to at the party? Who is your daughter? Now, together once again, let's practice with possible answers and taking notes. Who? Who's your best friend? My best friend is Janice. Who did you invite for dinner? I invited my parents for dinner. Who did you talk to at the party? I talked to Susan at the party. Who is your daughter? My daughter is that girl in red. Perfect. Now let's go to the fourth WH question we are working with today. Can you remember which one it is? That is, when. When is used to talk about time, days, months. Example questions with when. When is your birthday? When will you go on vacation? When did you buy that car? When is Halloween? These 4 example questions are easy to understand. Let's check if you can help me answering them. Leave at least one of your answers on the comments down below. Let's practice. When is your birthday? My birthday is in June. When will you go on vacation? I'll go on vacation in December. When did you buy that car? I bought it last Christmas. When is Halloween? It's on October 31st. Congratulations! If you are here until now, you have proved your dedication and commitment to learn English and expand your vocabulary. Try watching the video once again if you feel like you still need to review the content. The Language Exchange channel provides English practice content every week. Subscribe for more videos. If this video helped you understand more about WH questions in English, hit the like button and support our work. Practice makes better. See you next time.